Good afternoon. In this session, let's try to understand what are trans fats. These are also called trans fatty acids. But what are they first of all? These are number one, unhealthy. Not just unhealthy, it is notoriously unhealthy. They spoil the health of a person. That is the reason why World Health Organization has given a global call for the elimination of these trans fats. That is very much there in the news and it has been accepted by India, and India is also implementing this. So in all food items where the trans fats are there, the percentage has been fixed, and each year that percentage has to be reduced. Kindly look at here. For any nation, the health of its people is very, very important. And the Apex Health Body, World Health Organization, which is located in Geneva, is always striving for maintaining the good health of the people across the globe. Regarding that, we have information, and I am going to share that information with you now. Look at this. Look at this. World Health Organization has called for global elimination of trans fats by global elimination of trans fat by which year? 2021, 2022, or 2023, or 2024? And the answer is option C, 2023. Let me show you some points regarding this. Look at this. Trans fats are a form of unsaturated fat. Again, these are of two types. One is natural and second one is artificial. One is natural and second one is artificial. Let's try to understand more regarding this. But look at the question and look at the year, and you are expected to remember that year. And anything that is decided by the World Health Organization, the guidelines that are issued by WHO are very, very important. Now, look at this. Look at this. Natural trans fats are formed by bacteria in the stomach of cattle, sheep, and goats. These trans fats make up, look at the percentages here, 3 to 7%. This is only for your understanding. You need not remember this for objective type of examination. So these trans fats make up 3 to 7% of the total fat in dairy products. We know that in dairy products the fat is there. So here it is the trans fat. This is making up 3 to 7%. So what are the dairy products? Such as milk and cheese. Similarly, 3 to 10% in beef and lamb. 3 to 10% in beef and lamb, and just 0 to 2% in chicken and pork. So these are the natural trans fats. On the other hand, artificial trans fats are mainly formed during hydrogenation. Important one. Natural trans fats are formed by bacteria in the stomach of cattle, sheep, and goats. And what is the percentage? In each one we understood. Now, if you look at artificial trans fats, they are mainly formed during hydrogenation. It is a process in which hydrogen is added to vegetable oil to form a semi-solid product known as partially hydrogenated oil. So through this particular process, artificial trans fats are getting formed. Alright? And this particular oil we consume along with our food, and that is creating health issues, rather notoriously very, very, very sad and bad health issues. Look at this. The Food and Safety Standards Authority of India recently announced that all edible refined oils in India, vegetable fat spreads, vanaspati, margarines, bakery shortening, and mixed fat spreads, all these can contain only 3% or less than that. Very, 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 very important. All these items must have only 3% or less than that of trans fats. And this is going to be implemented by January 2021, and by January 2022, look at this, it should be further reduced to 2%. Very important one. And this is being introduced because the World Health Organization has called for global elimination of a trans fat by the year 2023. So kindly see here, everything is important for our examination, especially when it comes to the health issues, and especially when WHO issues the guidelines, and especially when India starts implementing that one, that may become a possible question. Fine, that is the reason why we have discussed this particular topic, and I'll see you in the next class with other current affairs. Thank you so much.